How to buy a ceiling fan. This video will be your guide to buying the right ceiling fan for you. Whether you're replacing an old fan or installing one for the first time, there are a few things you'll want to consider before making your purchase. The first thing to consider is the location. Do you plan to install it outdoors or indoors? For outdoor areas, such as a porch or patio, you'll want to choose a fan that is specifically rated for outdoor use and can withstand exposure to moisture and the elements. In indoor areas, you'll want to make sure there is enough clearance between the blades and any walls or furniture to prevent obstruction and ensure proper air circulation. Next, let's talk about size. Ceiling fans come in a range of sizes, from small 24-inch models to large 72-inch models. The size you choose will depend on the size of your room. As a general rule, a fan with a blade span of 42 to 48 inches is ideal for rooms up to 225 square feet, while larger rooms may require a fan with a span of 52 inches or more. When it comes to mounting your ceiling fan, there are a few different options to choose from. The most common mounting types are flush mount and downrod mount. Flush mount fans are installed directly against the ceiling and work well in rooms with low ceilings, while downrod mount fans hang from a downrod and are ideal for rooms with higher ceilings. When choosing a downrod, make sure to select one that is the appropriate length for your ceiling height, as this will help ensure that the fan operates at maximum efficiency. Now, consider style. Ceiling fans come in a wide range of styles, from traditional to contemporary, so you're sure to find one that fits your decor. You can choose from a variety of finishes, such as brushed nickel or oil-rubbed bronze, and even customize your fan with different blade finishes. Finally, consider any additional features that might be important to you, such as remote control operation or integrated lighting. And there you have it. We hope you found this information helpful and feel more confident about choosing the right fan for your home. Thanks for watching.